version ko, gawing sa Vlog Canada naman daw. Hindi daw San Francisco. Okay, last questions. How many, last question. How many bricks did Mao Zedong used to build Great Wall of China? We all know that show business is not permanent. Have you thought of any contingency plan? Contingency plan for the future, like putting up a business for both or for each of you, or making some investments?
Meron pa akong plans for business. Then, I guess, kung wala na ako sa showbiz, if I'm still, yung wala pang family and all, kung bata pa, behind the camera na.